Hey guys, today we're gonna learn about how to change the date and time over on Discord. So the process is quite easy, so make sure that do watch the video till the end in order to get properly. Now, once I go to settings, although here you can see there is no option to change the date and time over on Discord because Discord itself don't allow us to change the time over on it. So how to change it? So to change the date and time of Discord, you have to change the date and time of your device. So for that, simply go to your search bar, type date and time, and click on change date and time. So it will switch you to the date and time settings, and make sure that set time automatically and set time zone automatically must be turned on so that the settings got automatically set it the time just according to your region. So, and if you want to change it manually, you can click on change and you can change the date and time manually from here. Alright, so after changing the date and time from here, it will also got changed over on your Discord. So this is basically how you can change the date and time over on Discord. And Discord itself allows us to change the format of the time. So let's say if I message to this channel, and you can see the current time is 8:28 p.m. and the format is a US format. So if you want to change the format, what you can do is to go to your profile settings. So over there, simply scroll down until you see language and just simply change your language from English US to English UK, and Discord will restart, and now you can see the format is in United Kingdom format. So this is basically how you can change the format over on Discord. And in today's video we have learned how to change the date and time. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.